Did you know that there are around 15,000 types of edible plants that you can eat? But only 20 vegetables make up 90% of the plant-based portion of average diet. Learning the Chinese words for some of the most common vegetables is an important part of learning Chinese vocabulary. The short definition of a vegetable is a plant that we eat. In this video, you will learn how to pronounce the names of the most common vegetables in Chinese. Hit the like button below if you like this interesting video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. First of all, we will learn what is the Chinese name for vegetable. Shu cai. Shu cai. Let's go to the common vegetables in Chinese. Radish. 萝卜 萝卜 Beet. 甜菜 甜菜 Potato. 土豆 土豆 Sweet potato. 白薯 白薯 You can also call it 番薯 番薯 Carrot. 胡萝卜 胡萝卜 Garlic. 蒜 蒜 Or you can call it 大蒜 大蒜 Onion. 洋葱 洋葱 Asparagus. 芦笋 芦笋 Rhubarb. 大黄 大黄 Celery. 芹菜 芹菜 Lettuce. 生菜 生菜 Spinach. 菠菜 菠菜 Cabbage. 洋白菜 洋白菜 Arugula. 芝麻菜 芝麻菜 Broccoli. 西兰花 西兰花 You can also call it 青兰花青兰花 Artichoke. 洋蓟洋蓟 Cauliflower. 花菜花菜 Or you can also call it 菜花菜花 Tomato. 西红柿西红柿 Cucumber. 黄瓜黄瓜 Eggplant. 茄子茄子 Pepper. 胡椒胡椒 Marrow squash. 三月瓜三月瓜 Pumpkin. 南瓜南瓜 Zucchini. 西葫芦西葫芦 Mushroom. 蘑菇蘑菇 Now you can go to the comment box below and tell me the names of the vegetables that you have learned their Chinese pronunciations from this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon for more free video lessons. Subscription is free. See you in my next video.